Mr. Burgess here.
Really?
Alright, we are live. FOMC, you guys.
The bird, go subscribe to my channel, bro.
Yeah, go click like, ding the bell. All the things. Subscribe.
Oh, you started a YouTube?
Do mine too. Watch my short. 2 minutes! 90 seconds?
Trades. 40 subscribers. Oh, you got more than Eric. Nah.
Nah, Eric has more, bro. Mine are old subscribers, bro. When I used to do YouTube, I had around 98, I think, at one point.
Uh-huh. We have thunder and lightning here right now.
Alright, here we go.
FOMC.
Subscribe and like.
1 minute. I think it's gonna be wild. We're not expecting anything crazy. But I have a feeling they're gonna raise rates, quarter point. I don't know if we're expecting that or not.
It's Fed time.
Yeah, right now. 30 seconds. The Feds. That's your daddy. That's your daddy. How's your daddy?
But there's no conference today, right?
It doesn't matter. It's still going to be volatile. But you're right, yes. It's just the minutes from the meeting that they should have had Tuesday. The real FOMC is next month on the 20th. We got Pow Pow at 2:30, FOMC at 2, federal Fed budget balance or whatever as well, funds rate, all the
Yeah,
stuff.
so there's a 85% chance that he's gonna raise the rates. It'll be a rate hike.
Pretty sure we're going to hike them right now, quarter point at least. Here we go. FOMC. Not as volatile as normal, but it's still early. Has it even been released yet?
No.
Didn't think so. I'm not getting any news.
Me. Jesus, what have we got here? Holy fuck! Hold on.
Not seeing any crazy volume. Could take a minute or two. We aren't expecting anything crazy, so nothing could happen as well in the next minute or two.
Maybe that was a deep buy at 35.
They bought it. They bought the good. It doesn't look like anything crazy is going to happen. As expected.
I don't see anything about it.
No information's been released yet. It's still early.
I don't see anything.
It's still early. It could get crazy in the next minute. Or nothing at all.
But shouldn't we expect bigger moves?
We should expect
Not even
something.
Forest Factor has released some numbers.
Let's see, meeting minutes. No, there's nothing.
Latest release. I don't see anything. So what's the fuss about?
Here we go. Getting a little bit of volatility. There's no fuss. We're already not expecting anything crazy to happen. But it always creates volatility no matter what. So we're seeing a little bit of that now. There we go.
What is this fuss about?
So what's the fuss about? The fuss is about this fucking biscuit we're shitting right now, bruh. Let's go. Get wrecked. FOMC,
Like $900.
You made 900? Let's go. Funded?
read.
There we go. That's what we were expecting to see. Volatilities. We're going to get a new low a day. Dow got absolutely red. S&P got red. Is the first move the wrong move? I'm not seeing any
I don't know what the
headlines.
numbers were.
I don't see any headlines or anything. First move was the wrong move. New York banned TikTok. City-owned devices. OpenAI bought global illumination. Amazon's going to start showing sponsored product ads on Pinterest. Ah, 2 hours ago, China called on the U.S. to relief or lift tariffs on steel imports. And 1 hour ago, the U.S. is pleased with WTO's ruling on China tariffs. Not getting any headlines. Nothing special. We did get a nice little bit of volatility there. What was that candle? 48 down to... That was a 50-point candle. That's juicy. That's juicy. Should go short up here, golfer.
I don't know.
I got short from 25. Let's see if we can get lower. I don't know.
25? Oh yeah,
Nice.
that's a good entry. That's a
You
good
got
entry.
that week.
Yep.
That's a good entry, Berg. I thought you weren't trading.
Yeah.
You lie.
Still trading.
Stefan! You lie.
It's a liar.
You know what, Mr. Berg? I fucked up.
Stefan! You lie!
I don't know about that short anymore. Still got a good entry. Got a good entry, but they're trying to push it up through this zone. Previous low day on the S&P. Oh yeah, it's gonna tumble. You're gonna get paid, Bird.
Nice, Mr. Bird.
Yeah,
Let's
you
go,
know,
Bird. Back
it's
on the
me,
horse.
with my luck, I'm gonna get stopped out as usual.
If you want to get funded, just do the opposite of Bird. Just kidding. There's a headline. Let's see what it is. Fed inflation risk could require more tightening. They're going to raise 50 basis points next month. We're going to go down. It's going to go down. As a matter of fact, we might have already priced it in over the last 2 weeks. Might not go down that much. Looks like it's going up, Berg. We're still struggling there.
Yeah, it's respecting this level here down here at 07.
Struggling here.
05s.
I want to go short, but it's not moving down. So
I'll go make another short
This is a
video.
50-50 trade.
What was that?
This is a 50-50 trade.
I'll go make
I
another
want to go.
short video.
I want to short,
We-
but it's not going down, so it's probably going to
Is
go
a
up.
one is talking about the video and the other is talking about a trade.
Shorting it. Oh. Is there any news yet?
Not
Yeah.
yet.
Yes. The Fed said that inflation requires more tightening. More tightening means they're going to raise rates. I think we were expecting a quarter point. Now I think we're going to be looking for a half point. Here we go, Barry.
A lot of selling orders coming in.
Biscuits.
A lot
Time
of
to
selling
make the
orders.
biscuits. What was that?
Selling orders came in.
Half a point next month. We got a buyer at 1530. We're already below 1530. What the heck? Oh
That's a
wow.
long time ago. What are you looking
Yeah. His stream is offline. Oh wait, there we go. He's looking at the S&P. Switch it to the S&P. 4420. 4420.
I went long.
That's a new low day. Offers long?
Yeah. First scope.
No resistance here.
We've been short all day. Why go long?
Gone for those, we're gone for once.
I'm not gonna say anything.
Yeah,
Don't-
it's just a stupid scope.
It might not be wrong, because guess what it's not doing?
I got stops.
It's not going down.
Just back
And
to
if it's
standard.
if it's not going down, then it must
Oh, we broke it.
be
Let's go.
it must be going up if it's not going
There you
down.
go, Mr. Bird.
Yeah, nice.
Now we got it going down. Let's go. 4420 on the S&P would put the Nasdaq. Wow, that would put the Nasdaq down here. 950. 950. Damn, I wanted to go short too. Fuck's sakes.
You should have gone short.
I was gonna.
A lot of volumes coming in.
The price action was not showing it going down. It was showing it holding. 4420 on the S&P might only put the Nasdaq down to 60. 960. It held the low a day. Bounce. Nasdaq made a new low. I mean, S&P made a new low. Dow held. Nasdaq. Nice bounce. A little bit choppy.
Are you still in the short, Mr. Berg?
Yes.
A little bit choppy. Damn, Bird, you got
Low
50
day.
points. You didn't get out. You got 45 points on that trade, sir. You're
Looking for the bigger picture. So going back down.
looking greedy. You're looking like McScrooge. Let's go, Bird. Let's get 60. Seems like it's very volatile, but it's slow.
Yeah, I have my target at 60, 65.
Way slower than normal.
66, 67. Maybe like that.
67 is your target?
67.
I like it. I think we can hit that if the S&P goes down to 20.
But we bounced pretty hard there, I don't know. This could be a double bottom.
S&P shifted down, Nasdaq shifted down, the Dow shifted down. We could pop back up to 21 or 25 right now. Damn it, Barry. Yeah, 45 points is gone.
Yeah.
Gone,
That's not-
gone,
They're
gone.
gone, they're gone.
That's not good. That's not good for your drawdown.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Could add. Are you on the demo?
Yes.
Very nice. There's only 4 days left. 2 days left on the 50% off Apex accounts and resets. Link in the description. I don't like that candle on the Dow or the S&P or the Nasdaq. We want to see it turn over from 20, Berg. Should add if it does. Damn, should have shorted right there. S&P at 38. Switch to the S&P or did I go to the wrong one? I went to the wrong one. That's fine. That zone is gone, huh? Gone. Yeah. It's gone. Where was it at? Right here, 39.
Anyone get long on this?
Mm-mm. No. This is where you get short. If it breaks over 25, then that would be long. We're choppy, right? So a move up is going to be followed by a move down.
So like short, long.
As long as we're choppy, it should go back to the low. Unless it's the first move is the wrong move, and then we're going to rip. But you'll know pretty soon if that's the case. Pretty sure we're going down. Rejecting that level. Nasdaq's rejecting the moving average. Minute chart is bearish. Hour chart is bearish, but we got some lower wicks. All right. The Dow just pumped.
This is the bottom.
Here's that 25 level. Moving averages on the 5 minutes. This is either an amazing short right here, or this shit's gonna go to the high day.
I was ripping, bro. A lot of buying orders.
Yeah, we got imbalance, triple stack, Red. We're ripping. Okay, we're going at least back to the high before the news came out. I mean, we're already there. Shit. The last chance is at 15,050. If it rejects that, it could still be getting wrecked. 50 moving average on the Dow. Here, S&P's got a little room. Nasdaq's got a little room. By the dip?
We're at a pivot. Old pivot. 1538.
By the dip? The Dow is rejecting that average. Still looks strong. Decent volume. Still pumping. Nasdaq's doing 20-point candles. S&P's doing 5-point candles. Juicy. It's juicy.
Juicy, juicy.
It's juicy. Like your booty. Alright, Dow is not breaking that 50. The S&P got room to go. Now's not a good time. Call me later. Nasdaq's got plenty of room. 15 points.
We're approaching opening range. Has resistance there at 1351, 1551.
Keep ripping, boys. Red. Dow pumped into that 50. Tested above it. Now we're getting a little pullback. You don't want to see the Nasdaq go below 20. We're ripping. Red. I want to jump in, but a little bit of FOMO there would have paid off. Look at that. Red. Oh, it would have paid off. Sometimes FOMO is good, man. Sometimes it's bad. Should have bought the pullback. Too busy looking at the charts. Dow broke the open price. Green on the day. S&P's getting close.
There's your little pullback.
Nasdaq's
But we have
getting
resistance.
close.
We have resistance. Right here at 67, 68, 66. That's your pullback, bro. Pushing.
Everybody switched to an uptrend. Here's the high before the sell-off at 65. S&P already broke it, Dow already broke it, and going higher.
Hey, so many
Yeah,
cars.
You just
Thanks.
ripped through that shit.
Rip it by the dips.
More volume. More volume.
Are we going to the highs? We're not that far away. We made it halfway in 10 minutes. You go long, Bird?
No, I'm flat. How the fuck could we miss this one? Anyone went long on this leg?
We didn't miss it. We just didn't get in it.
Then I missed it.
It was fast.
Really fast.
It's hard to buy a candle when it moves this much because you
Yeah.
expect it to pull back at least halfway.
Yeah, it's very hard psychologically
Yes,
to
sir.
buy it.
Yes, sir, because you expect that pullback and you know you'll get stopped. So then you wait patiently and it doesn't come. And then it rips another 40 points. And you think the same thing, only now it's even more difficult. I think the NASDAQ should go hit the open price. Let's see if we can form a trend, and then we can buy the dips. This price action is so typical, though. They get you all short and bearish, and then they rip that shit and tear your head off.
Mm-hmm. So annoying.
It is annoying. You know they're going to do it. Do it every time. Every single time. Alright, Dow's pulling back to the open.
From the bottom all the way up to the wee. Oh, what a good trade. Oh, what a good trade.
Gotta put your balls on the table. Buy the dip. It's not even going to pull back. NASDAQ should pull back to 40. But it's not going to. It's going to rip. Yeah. It's just going to rip. Ripping. Get a flag pattern over here on the 5 minute. Get a pullback.
Your flag patterns work better on the 1 minute, bro.
Let's go back to 40. Come on down. Let's go to 40. Give us a nice pullback. There you go. Come on. There you go. Do more. We don't want to see the Dow go down much more than that. This might be it.
Back straight into the level there. Low level.
Dow's getting hammered. S&P 50 moving average. Dow 50 moving average. NASDAQ 50 moving average. We want to see the pull
Support at
for it.
51,
Come on.
guys. We have support at 51.
I want to see more pullback. I want to see the NASDAQ at 40.
Yeah, 40 would be great.
Mm-hmm. Be a good pullback. Let's go.
It's 40. Give us 40.
Right here. It's the 1 minute moving average.
I'm putting a limit order at 42.
Do
Let's
it.
go. Yeah, I'm already done it.
Do it.
It's a steep dive though. I mean, we all touched the VV.
It's 48.
What is this? 90 points from the bottom to up there.
$48. That was all you're gonna get.
That was your tip eye, bro.
That was
So
your
you guys
dip buy.
have support at 51.
I'm long. Let's see what
Might
happens.
get another chance to buy it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We have a 1 minute flag for me, bro. Here comes the break.
Dang it, come back down.
This is it. This is the pullback. Let's go.
That was it, boys.
Here comes the second leg up to the upside. Up to prior
Order
price.
filled.
I'm long.
I'm low.
Let's go.
60. Let's go.
Let's go.
You're on S&P now. Trader.
Yeah. I'm gonna contentious here. I'm gonna take partial.
Order
We need
submitted.
to break this 70, guys.
Order filled.
I took partial.
I'll push you.
I took a partial. I'm up 530.
Lock in another one, bro. I'm not liking this price action. Yeah.
I'm like, well, I'll put my stop in profit. How about that?
I'm not liking that. It's not breaking that high.
It's a good sign. It's gonna break.
We look strong. My target's the open price on the S&P.
It's not gonna have a chance to this one. It's gonna just
Let's
float.
go.
Nice price
Look
action.
at that. Red. Moving my stop up to point of contention.
Just have it to the other side.
Yeah, B-block right now. Number one minute.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move my target down a little bit because it's slightly above the open. 53. Let's go.
B-block.
Don't
Injecting B-block.
don't break that point. No. Stay above 50. Let's go.
Stop
All right, I
filled.
got stopped out. I'm up 590 on the day now. Let's go.
Nice. Let's go.
Let's go.
How much you locked in? 300? 200?
I don't remember. 120.
Nice.
I took my partial out. I shouldn't have. But I didn't like it. You didn't like it. Price action, so I took partial. It is what it is.
I took it off at wee. If you break that wee, I'm gonna jump in and back again. Could make a weak high though.
I'm pretty sure the Nasdaq's going to go hit open price 110. It's coming.
It's trading above
S&P.
wee.
S&P is about to hit the open at 53.
Give me over 77, please.
Ah, if I had my stop one tick lower, I'd still be in. It would hit my target right there.
Here come.
Dow's ripping. S&P broke the open. Nasdaq's got 30 more points to go.
Gotta defend this wee now. We cannot jump back under it. Just need to go. He's gonna go now. If he doesn't go. 110. Let's go.
S&P rejecting open. Dow's well above. Nasdaq's 20 points away, 30 points away. We've got good volume. Positive delta.
It's getting weak. Oh. Nope. Weak high. Short time.
No. No, sir. I would not short until the S&P Nasdaq breaks under 40. And it's 30 fucking points potential.
I wouldn't be short until we break this flag.
Yeah, man, we're bullish. We're bullish until we go bearish. And right now we're bullish. We won't go bearish until under 50. Right now we're forming a trend. We're trending up. That shit can continue the rest of the afternoon. Could be choppy though, Barry, and you could get you some money. Back to 50, you could take it.
Good dip buy at 54.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Between there and 40. Again. It looks sketchy, but it always looks bad before it gets good.
Let's see if it breaks back into that flag.
There's a gap right here on the S&P. Been resisting it. Right at the open price. Nasdaq pulled back, respected the 20, moved back up. The averages are climbing. Dow is still above everything. S&P still struggling at the open price. New bar in 5 seconds. Should be a down bar. Full flag. Pushing up. Consolidation. Down bar. 60. 50 would be a dip buy potential.
Short from 71. Let's see if it works. Just a short one. A small scalp.
S&P could pull back to 48.
Down to 55.
$59 could be a dip buy. The moving averages are climbing up fast. I don't think we should be shorting. Not even for scalps. We should be buying the dip. Buying the dip. Buying the dip. We got several layers of resistance here though. Berg. Might get your 55. I think 60 should be
Yeah,
the
it could be
spot.
62.
We've been riding above the 1 minute average. That would be 62. Ooh, did you see that wick up? It's gonna dump. You're gonna get your target. Here it comes. Here it comes. 3 more points. 1 more point. There you go, Bird. 1 more point. Don't be a dick for a tick. Dow's holding the open. S&P's holding the flag. S&P could drop to 46. That would put you at 50 on the NASDAQ. You get Fieldberg? Is it driving you nuts?
Almost there.
Let's go, Abe's. There you go. Yeah, Phil? You're still holding.
I got out.
Nice. This could be a dip buy here.
Limit order at 55.
That's the moving averages on the S&P and the NASDAQ 1 minute. The first time it's touched the 20 since it ripped. It's getting tight.
I think we are going to be choppy here, man, for the rest of the session.
There it is. That's a dip buy. That's a dip buy, my friends. Am I going to go back in or am I happy with my 600? I think I'm happy with my profits for today.
Are you?
Yeah. It was an above average day. I'm happy. It is a dip buy though. Should buy the dip. Buy the fucking dip. Buy the fucking dip. Bitches, let's go. That down bar had half the volume as these up bars. When this flag breaks out on the Dow, it's gonna run. It's gonna run 100 points. The S&P is gonna run 15 points. Nasdaq's gonna run 50 points, 60 points, if it breaks out. Testing the 5-minute moving averages. All three.
Dip.
All
55.
three are testing. Yeah, this is another
Let's go.
potential dip buy. We break these averages though, I don't know, man.
I don't think
We
it's a
get
dip buy.
It could get nasty. But all three are testing the 50 on the 5 and testing the 50 on the 1 as well. This was the sell-off price before the FOMC came out, or when the FOMC came out. Right there, 48.
Get wrecked.
These two are holding the 50. The Nasdaq's coming down to the 20. There's the 50 on the 1. Ooh, this is not looking good. Are they going to buy the dip? Haha. I'm glad I was happy with my profits gone for. I would have got wrecked. I would have gave back 250 bucks. This is the last chance. 20 on the Dow, 20 on the Nasdaq, 20 on the S&P. Nasdaq's lower. This is nasty, guys. Not a dip buy. It's a sell the red. Sell the red. Dow's still holding. S&P is testing below but coming back up. Nasdaq's doing the same but looks heavy. This is a 50% retracement of the rip. This is it. Got to bounce or we're going back to the low. Back to this consolidation level. That's a daily level on the S&P. "45 seconds on this bar. 15-minute looks. 15 minutes choppy. Really choppy. The hour still looks strong. Bearish candle, but doji all the way back up. Sell the rip at 50 on the Nasdaq. We're going down. Volatility's expanded. 24 points on the Nasdaq now. 6 on the S&P. Look at that bounce. Interesting.
I'm long 43.
One long?
Yes.
1 minute ago,
This is just a pullback on the
I would
bigger
have told
picture
you
downside.
that this wasn't going to work. But right now, looking at the Dow all the way back up and the S&P, it might work out, man. You might get paid. Let's go. Nasdaq's back at the 50. S&P's above. Dow's above. Back to the 20 on the 1 minute Nasdaq. Break 56 is going to run all the way back to 90. Dow's at the open price again. Interesting. That was looking very heavy. Sell the rip. I still think sell the rip. 56.
We did a double bottom there, so it's unlikely it's gonna go back down again. On the big
Rejecting the 1 minute average. This is the short entry, 56. If you're long, stay long. Short 56. Short 56 with a tight stop. Rejected that 1 minute average. Above on the 5 minute though. Interesting. Alright, Bird 56 got a break and you're gonna get paid. What's your target?
the top
90?
prior low.
Yesterday's low?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, 74. 74. 74. You see the body of these candles over here on the 15 minute? That's 68. Your target should be 67.
Oh, you mean the okay? Yeah. Maybe that's a good idea. 68.
You see it on the 15 minute though? The body's at 67.
Just at the 60. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, 68. It's turning
Still,
on me now.
should still be shorting 56 with a tight stop.
I have a break even stop.
Where'd you get it?
42.75.
Nice.
I'm flat. I'm flat. Got that.
You got stop? It didn't hit your 42.
Yeah, it did.
It hit 43.
Yeah, 43.
There it is. Short 56, guys. Sell the red. Sell the red.
Maybe this is gonna be the shop area. Should we start shopping now?
Maybe Gomper was right.
Yep.
Yep. Short 50. He's short 50 now. Stopped at 56. Didn't even get a chance to short it at 50. We're going down. Down. If the S&P breaks this 43 level, got nothing.
800.
It's got nothing to hold it up. There's a huge gap all the way down to 36 on the S&P, down to 10 on the Nasdaq. That's a good short. Berg got in it early, and then he flip-flopped. You were shorting it from 70s, weren't you?
No, we're all slow.
No, earlier you wanted to short it for. You said I'm shorting for a scalp, and I said I don't like it. I don't like it.
I took my target. I took my target.
Yeah. 62. That was an excellent entry. You got the fucking top.
I'm short 33.
This is a head and shoulders right here. Didn't see it until right now. Almost complete. It is complete. It's a giant head and shoulders on the 5 minute. If that comes back around, we're going to run back up to 60s after we hit 20 or 10, back to 60s, and then new low at day. I don't think that's going to work though. That's a huge head and shoulders. You see it on the 5 minute? Currently, it's just one shoulder and a head. There's no shoulder on the other side yet. Not yet. Nasdaq's going to bounce back to 48.
My target is.
Nope. Dump
10.
it. Dump. This could be a higher low. We could start building a trend. Right here at 37 on the S&P.
Locking in break even. Locking in $50.
Right here at 13 on the Nasdaq. That's really close to that 10 mark. This is so typical FOMC price action. It's disgusting. It's disgusting.
I'm starting to trade back up. I'm taking it.
You got back in short?
Flat. I'm flat. Took my target.
Scalp master. Held that trend. Could be a higher low. It might actually make that head and shoulders. And don't. We'll find out in 30 minutes or sooner.
Yeah, but isn't it so that the longer time goes, the smaller candles it gets? Because the volume is disappearing.
It's power hour. Currently, the volume is stable. Look at those buyers. Right off of that trend line. Tapped it on the penny, on the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq. Sell the rip at 45. The 20 is about to cross over the 50 up to the downside. Just crossed. On the 1 minute. $44. $44 could be the top of the right shoulder. I would expect it to take another 10 minutes. But it could just go there now, come back down, and then go back up. S&P, you can sell the S&P at 44, you can sell the Nasdaq at 44, you can sell the Dow at 80.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna wait until it drops even more and take it down below there. Jump up instead.
Right. Testing that trend line again. Well, this is good. This gives it time. Gives it time to move back up to 44. I'd want to see another 5-minute bar down here at the trend getting tight, and then 2, 3 5-minute bars up, and then get tight at that level. Form the top of the right shoulder and get short. If it doesn't do that, it's going to crack that trend, and we're going to get heavy. Looks like it's doing it. It's doing it. Let's go. Somebody's eating chips? It's balls. Of course.
Sorry. Yeah.
Where'd you sneak in? I made a short video for you, balls. I made a short.
I like that.
You watched it?
Good.
Hmm?
Yeah, of course. Of
Quick
course.
like?
Yes.
Quick like? Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Click subscribe. Click you ding the bell. Share with your friends, family, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. It's doing it, guys. It's doing the chingadera. It's going to form that right shoulder. There's not enough time. There's only an hour left. Alright. I'm happy with my additional profits. I'm going to take the stream down. Once again, YouTube, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, 9:15 a.m.